Friends, welcome to the new video. Today I want to show you a new way to make money with Solana meme coins, on which I already managed to earn $10,000 just yesterday. I can't be sure how long this method will remain effective, but if you're watching this video, it's still relevant. This is my token launch history, and as you can see, every meme coin brings me double and sometimes even triple the profit from the invested money. Yes, this scheme requires small investments, but rest assured they will pay off with the first launch. And by tomorrow, you can multiply your invested amount by at least 10 times. To launch your token using this method, you don't need to be a programmer, write code, or understand cryptocurrency. You'll get all the basic knowledge from this video and can repeat my success today. Hundreds of meme coins are created every hour, and investors and creators are making millions from them. To create my token, I first go to Dex Screener and pick any popular coin with good capitalization. This immediately boosts trust in the coin from the very start of trading. I conducted all my token launches on the Voxio website. I'll leave a link to it in the description. This site provides all the features for launching coins that we'll need for today's method. All right, let's get started. First, go to the Create Token tab. In the token name field, I enter the name of the popular token I'm copying. In my case, it's BPAD. In the symbol field, I also put BPAD. In the decimals field, I leave it at 9. This is the optimal value. Then I set the supply to 1 billion coins. Next, I upload an image for the token, which I took from DEX Screener. Now I fill in the description by simply copying it from the existing token, or you can write something serious here. Below, you'll see additional fields. Let's break them down. First is creator's info. I always enable this option because it allows you to spoof the creator's wallet. Bots and traders track low liquidity launches tied to big wallets, thinking the creator will add Solana to the pool and pump the price hard. We'll find a wallet with a big balance in a Telegram channel where all new tokens and their creators' wallets are posted. Find a wallet with a solid balance, click owner, and you'll be redirected to the SolScan site where you can copy the wallet address. Then go back to Voxio and paste that wallet into the creator's address field. The creator's name field doesn't matter, fill it in however you want. Next, we enable the social media fields. This really helps build trust in the meme coin. Just grab the links to the resources from the token we're copying. Fill in Telegram, Twitter, and the website. Now the coolest part, the Voxio liquidity pool option, which I always enable. This lets us set the initial liquidity for our coin. Enabling it is mandatory for the token to start trading on Dex Screener and become available for investors to buy. With my experience launching meme coins, I can say that setting 3 to 5 Solana for initial liquidity is ideal. This amount can maximize the token's growth in the first 10 to 15 minutes, which is exactly what we're aiming for. I'll set the liquidity to 3 Solana as an example. Then we specify the number of tokens in the pool, 90% of the total supply, which in my case is 900 million. I set the fee to 2%, which is optimal. Now let's go over the 3 options at the bottom. The first one is mandatory. It prevents freezing coins after the token is created. The second option stops new tokens from being issued after creation. The third option locks the token's data so it can't be changed after creation. I strongly recommend keeping all 3 options enabled, as they're the main assurance for investors and bots that you won't easily tank the token's price. And most importantly, we need to enter the wallet where we plan to withdraw the Solana. I use the same wallet address I'm creating the meme coin from, so the money goes to the same place. All right, now we click launch token and pay the Solana to the specified wallet. Done, we confirm the payment, and in a moment, we see the address of our new token. Let's check it on SolScan. As you can see, everything went perfectly. Our coin is already trading on popular aggregators. Go to Dex Screener, search for our token by address, and there it is. Already trading with bots snapping it up in small amounts. Now we just wait about 15 minutes for sniper bots and investors to buy up our token. Okay, someone just bought our token for over $300. If I pull the liquidity now, I'll get about 11 Solana, which is way more than the cost of launching the coin. To withdraw Solana from the liquidity pool, go to the liquidity pull tab. We see the liquidity pool is now at a full $2,000. I'll click the minus to withdraw that money to my wallet. Double check that the slider is set to 100%. Let's do the rug pull. Boom! The money's headed to my wallet. I'll open Phantom Wallet to see when it arrives. After the first meme coin launch using the scheme, I became convinced it works. I don't know how much longer it'll last, but while it's working, I'll milk it for all it's worth. As long as it's profitable, take advantage of it. No one knows when this method will get shut down. There we go. Solana just hit my wallet. Let's check what happened to the token. All the coins were pulled from the pool, so the token's price is now basically zero. Investors lost their money and we made a solid profit. Hope I was able to help you out. Share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories about launching tokens.